everyone, welcome new viewers and welcome back to my subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you. I'm Anne, the home bartender, and today I'm making a strawberry Haitian punch. I'll give you some tasting notes right away. Oh, it's so damn good, you guys. It's so yummy. God, I really love this cocktail. You can expect this one to have great fruity flavors. It's also going to have a little bit of a banana funk from the rum we're using, and it's just super fun to drink. Look at the glass, the garnish. It's just, I love it. We're using pineapple juice, and I infused the rum we're using today with strawberries, and that takes this cocktail up to a whole new level. So let's go over the method and the ingredients coming up next. All right, so this is a blended drink, so I'll put the ingredients into my NutriBullet cup here. Let's first start with 3/4 of an ounce of cane sugar syrup into the cup. Now let's get the lime juice in there, 3/4 of an ounce. Great balance to the cocktail, balancing out that sweetness. 3/4 of an ounce of pineapple juice is next. Of course, Tiki is full of pineapple. It has a great natural sweetness to it. If you can find fresh pressed, or you want to core a pineapple and juice it yourself, by all means do that. More power to you, but I won't hold it against you if you don't do that. Mostly I just use the canned stuff from Trader Joe's. Now for the rum, let's see, quickly. This is a strawberry infusion that I made with this Barbancourt 3-star 4-year rum. I cut up about a cup of strawberries and combined that with a bottle of this rum. I let that infuse for 2 days and then removed and double strained the liquid back into the bottle. You could easily cut that recipe in half if you don't want to use a whole bottle of rum here, but honestly, I make this cocktail and that strawberry jungle bird that I also have on my channel all summer long because it's so easy to make and fun to drink. I'm using a Haitian rum, of course, since it is a Haitian punch, but it has a real ripe banana funk to it as well as toffee notes, and it's so good in this cocktail. So we get 2 ounces of strawberry infused rum. I'm gonna do about a cup of crushed ice in here. I will go flash blend this for about 5 seconds, if that, because I'm using my NutriBullet, and I will be right back. Okay, let's dump this over our glass over here. And then get a little bit of fresh ice. Ooh, look at that. Now let's get the Angostura Bitters over the top. I'm using this big dasher. I don't usually use this, I'm not used to it, but I like a lot of Angostura Bitters on the top. So just do whatever feels comfortable for you. We've got a Surfside Sips in there. Here I have a little piece of dried candied hibiscus and a little pineapple core. So I'm gonna put that in there. Let's get some mint in there as well. Nice big bouquet. Let's see, I'll take this out and put this in first. So this is the strawberry Haitian punch. Alrighty, so that's it for me today. I would really love to know if you might actually do the rum and strawberry infusion. You could always use another rum, but infusions are super easy and really fun. So just let me know in the comments. The nicest thing you can do for my channel is hit that like button and comment. The more you comment and the more interactions that we have on the channel, YouTube pushes me out there to more people. And I love to interact on this channel, so just join me in the comments and say hello. I do answer the comments. And I'd really like to know when you subscribe and hit the notification bell so I can welcome you personally to the channel. Thank you for spending your time with me here at my home bar. We'll see you next week, and I'll have another exciting cocktail to show you then. Be well. I know I just said, please comment 100 times, but I meant it. So, you know, comment. That's all I'm asking, just comment. I always answer those comments. Bye.